Okay. So 1.5 lakhs for Bali.
For Bali.
How many
Yeah.
days?
It was for 10 days.
10 days.
And then including the flight stay and everything, it took 1.5 lakhs. Like we partied a lot, man. That's the reason the expenses
Okay.
went
I,
up.
I was thinking like more than not more than 60-70,000.
You can actually round it up by 80,000 or 1 lakh too.
Okay,
We
including
partied
flights.
including flights.
So what is the party place there?
There are a lot of clubs. There are beach clubs, Fins, Atlas. Lot of places to go.
Atlas.
Atlas. And then there are multiple islands surrounding Bali. We also spend time in Jakarta too.
Jakarta.
So Jakarta is the capital of Indonesia.
Indonesia.
So we not just went to Bali, we went to Jakarta too.
Okay.
So there was an internal flight between from Jakarta to Bali too. So all these things added to expenses.
Okay.
So and then we partied in Jakarta and then we partied in Bali.
Okay.
A lot of things happened.
Crazy, man.
Yeah.
Crazy nice. Even I want to go to Bali, but
Yeah.
not that much.
Bali is
My
cheap.
budget.
Like I feel Bali is a place where you have to go with girlfriend or wife. Like that's more romantic if you go with girlfriend or wife than friends. It's good too with friends, but it's more romantic if you go with the girlfriend or wife.
And what is the best time to go there?
This time I would say during winters, because that is a
Here winters, like September, October.
yeah, because that is a coastal region, so you will feel humid during the
Yeah,
summers.
yeah.
So it's better to go in the winters.
So many people say Thailand in March, April is the best time to visit.
Yeah,
There is
because
a
Thailand
New
is
Year.
known for beaches.
Okay.
Thailand is known for beaches, like you'll go to Phi Phi Islands, Krabi, Phuket.
Hmm.
So those things known for beaches.
Okay.
Yeah, on Bali, one benefit is you have both mountains and beaches. It's like on the south of Bali, you'll see a lot of beaches. On the north of Bali, you'll see mountains.
Mountains. Okay.
So it's a mix of both.
Nice.
So that's a good thing about Bali.
Okay.
You'll see a lot of Australians over there, because for Australians it's just a 6 hours flight. I mean 5-6 hours flight.
Right.
So you'll see a lot of Australians,
And
Chinese.
I've seen many foreigners. They spend months together there only.
Yeah, yeah.
They like
Westerners come to Bali and they vacation here.
vacation.
For
yes.
them it's so cheap. Like,
Yes, it's very cheap.
per day, even for us it's cheap. Like you will get stay for 700-800 rupees, which we are already paying here in hostel.
Hostel. So you'll get a hostel like that only, or do you get a separate room or something?
No,
Like
same
sharing
dorm.
one.
But there'll be cubicles. It's like there'll be one particular cube specifically for you, and that's like around 600-700 rupees. In Indonesian currency, it's so cheap. So cheap because their currency is like so much devalued than Indian currency.
Right. Even Vietnam value is very low.
Yeah. So it is cheaper for us. Imagine it's how it will be for
Right.
Europeans and
Europeans.
Americans.
They